Have you ever seen such a messy flower bed? I'm almost afraid to show you. I hadn't done anything to this flower bed since we moved here because I had to get some of the guttering redone. Otherwise, it would just wash everything out. So now that's fixed, and all I can do is just dig it up and just try to get all the roofing trash out and the rocks and the weeds and get it ready to plant something and make it look a lot better. I got these real pretty green oxalis for the side of the house since it's really shady over there. I'm adding flower tone. It helps establish the roots. It's really good for the plant. I'm also going to add some earthworm castings. It does some really good things for the soil and it helps with all the nutrients. I'm running really low on these things right now, so I'm having to use them pretty sparingly. Also, I have my tubing in place behind all these plants I'm planting for my drip line system. All I'll have to do is punch a hole in the tubing, attach the drip line, run it around the plant, and add some mulch. These oxalis are perennial. We planted purple ones in the front flower beds last year and they came back beautifully. I just love them. Can you see that there are two different coleus in the same pot and they're two different colors? I decided that I would try to go ahead and separate them so I could plant them in different places. This autumn fern is also a perennial. I'm also going to need something taller to go in the corner behind these plants if anyone has any suggestions. This is the area where I was planting the oxalis, the coleus, and the fern. It's very shady in this area in the summer. I've got a lot more to fill in, but this is a good start. It's finally time for lunch. Let's pick some lettuce and then go in and make a really good salad. Both of my grandmothers loved to cook. One loved to cook meals for everyone, and one loved to bake desserts. Luckily, I inherited both of these traits. When I was young, my grandmother, the cook, always had a sweet smile on her face, but she didn't have a lot to say. She made sure she fed our big family with her best recipes. My dad talks about how she cooked from a wood stove for them, 2 boys and 5 girls, and my grandfather 3 times a day. As I grew older, I realized that this was her way of communicating, and especially communicating love for her family. If we stopped by to visit before lunch, she'd prepare a huge breakfast spread, and you better not say you weren't hungry. I miss my sweet grandma, but I feel her often when I cook, and she is one of the many reasons why I love to cook. What was your grandmother like? Did she inspire you? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.